day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, July 6, 2023. It is 1:55 and 33 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, toxic mercury. So let's hop to it here. The fish mercury peaks in winter, adheres spawning, and reduces after growing season. Studies suggest. Date July 5th. 2023. Source: University of Helsinki. As fish consumption has long been associated with numerous health benefits, however, it is also the main dietary source of toxic mercury in humans. A year-round study from a boreal lake shows that mercury concentration in some fishes is significantly higher in winter and near spring spawning and lowest in autumn. The pronounced seasonal changes of warm open water and cold ice-covered seasons, dominant natural cycles in Finnish lakes. Summer is a growing season of fish followed by weight loss during winter and spring spawning time. As significant changes in temperature and other environmental factors during colder months result in lowered metabolism in fish. Additionally, less food is available for fish during this harsh time frame. Under these conditions, eventually the energy required to grow is not met by the amount of energy taken in, resulting in weight loss and starvation. As this seasonal cycle means that fish mercury in winter and spring can be up to 30 to 40% higher compared to summer and autumn. The differences are pronounced in fish feeding on other fish, such as perch and pickerel, which are important species for both recreational and commercial fishing in the boreal region, and continue to be staples in regional dishes. Despite the higher mercury found during these seasons, all fish species in studied southern Finnish lake were below the fish consumption health limit, 0.5 milligrams per kilogram per mercury. Winter is an immensely important driver of natural cycles, but how and to what extent these colder months influence lake ecosystems is not well understood or just assumed, as minimal field research is conducted during this time of year compared to warmer months. The nature of the work is demanding, requiring physical intensive and extended periods of time in freezing conditions on potentially unusable surfaces and low light. As such conditions present numerous logical changes for researchers to contend with and manage effectively and responsibly. Researchers suggest that considering their findings in perch and pickerel, more frequent boreal mercury monitoring in wild fish during winter should be considered due to their higher concentration. When considering the human nutrition and fisheries management perspectives, the sustainable solution would be to consider limiting the fishing near the spawning time. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and teacher of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.